Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Windows 11 ISO file from their official website and transfer it to your USB device and install it to your PC. So we are going to download the ISO file first. First of all, go to your browser here, and here just type Windows 11 ISO and enter. And here you can see their official website, microsoft.com. Download the Windows 11, click that one. And here you can see different types of Windows 11 installation for media, to make it bootable, USB or DVD. And this is the ISO file here you can see. So I'm going to select this one, select download, and select Windows Multi Edition ISO for 64-bit device. And after that, scroll down a bit, select more download option, and select before downloading. You can select, you can see all the manual to download it and select confirm. And after that, select your product language. You can select anything you want. I'm going to select English, United States, and select confirm here. And now just click 64-bit download, click it. And as you can see, the downloading option, it started to download. And after downloading it, you can easily transfer it to your bootable USB or DVD drive and install your Windows 11 to your PC. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.